Good morning, everyone. Scott Bayens with Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's, Scott Bayens Properties, and I'm standing on the corner. Well, good morning, first of all. It's been a busy one, and obviously there's always little challenges with technology these days, but we're getting through it. So we'll see the best we can do here today. Let's see. Here at 825 West Smuggler, and over my shoulder you will see not one but two houses, 825 and 837. And these are each 4-bedroom, 6-bath homes, new construction, slated to be done here at the beginning of the fall, perhaps middle fall. Obviously, a few delays with COVID, but we're getting it done. You can hear the construction sounds behind me. And again, this is one of the few projects. We'll price it just under $8 million for both of these. That's well below 2,000 square foot for new construction here in the West End. And let me just give you a little bit of a primer in terms of where we are here in the West End. Again, corner of West Smuggler and 8th. And where that puts you is about 2 blocks, 5-minute walk to our world famous music tent, home of the Aspen Ideas Festival, all the beautiful concerts on the lawn. And so that is just a central part of our summers here in Aspen Snowmass. Just up 1 block is the bus. That bus takes you to all the skiing in our area, whether it be Buttermilk, Snowmass, Aspen Mountain. So essentially, you throw your skis over your shoulder, put your boots on, and you're there. And in terms of getting to town, 5-minute bike ride. And you could also use your electric car by hooking up to the electric car charger that's included with both these homes in the garage. But let's take a look at just one today, and that'll give you a good sense of how both of these homes look. They're just about a mirror image of each other, but let's hop on in. Now, I'm not sure if I can flip this around. I'm going to do my best, and if not, I'm going to have to take my camera off the gimbal here, and there we are. There it is. Let's see. I'll try it again. Pardon me. All right. Let's come around and see what we got here. And there are both the homes under construction here. I'm going to watch my time, so I've got plenty of time to show you inside, but let's get in there. These homes are both mountain contemporary, inside and out. We've done this kind of project before to great acclaim, selling out last summer quickly. You can see that we're well underway here, guys everywhere. We are an active construction site, so there'll be a little bit of noise here and there, and I'll have to step over a few cords and try not to fall down the stairs. But here we are. I mean, this is very, very exciting. Not a lot of activity in terms of these new homes, and there's our front door. I'll try to orient you best I can. As we come into the ground floor, and just reminding you that if you want more information, either during this website, scottbayens.com, or go to the property-specific website highlighting both homes, which is westendhome.net, West End Home. So here we are, front door, and what you'll see here is the vestibule, and there'll be a little bit of a seat that's installed here, some cabinets, so that's where you can kick off your shoes or come on in this manner. And then right here on the ground floor, nice ground floor master. I'll take you in there in a moment. But let's take a turn here to the right, and we'll look at what is the bedroom or guest number 1. 10-foot ceilings, lots of light, lots of room. Each of these bedrooms, all 4 bedrooms included in this house, are en suite. So there's your bath. So move this around. And here's your walk-in closet. Again, all of them have walk-in closets. All of them have en suite with a nice bathroom. There's a coat closet. I'm now reorienting you to what will be the rear of the home and the garage. We'll head in there shortly. And going off to the left here, we'll get into also ground floor, almost identical to the other home. Different set of windows here, lots of natural light. Your views out these windows when they're not opaque is directly due north, and you're looking right at Smuggler and Red Mountain. Pretty neat. And again, I'll turn you around here as my gimbal flips around a bit and show you what is the bathroom and then the closet. Sorry about the views here. Okay, so back to this front door view. We've seen both of the guest bedrooms, and we'll head over here to the side. What you see on the left here is a dumbwaiter. So that allows folks to come in from the garage and throw a case of wine or their luggage in here, the groceries, and bring it upstairs to where the heart of the house is. And that would be the kitchen and the living area and even another bedroom and office. So here's the stairs. We'll head down there shortly. That goes up and down to what would be a beautiful bonus room, and that's actually a 5th bedroom, non-conforming, of course. But here, let's head into what is the master bedroom. And if you can see up a bit, I'll do a little turn here. Got a 10-foot coppered ceiling that'll be underlit, so there's some drama there. Come on down a bit. Obviously, you see a nice fireplace appliance being installed as I walk over some wires here. And, you know, plenty of spaces in all 3 of these bedrooms for a nice big master bed and all the furniture accoutrements you might want. Here is this beautiful master bath. And you've got a really nice European glass shower here that's obviously under construction. And then your tub will be down here to be installed. All high-end Kohler fixtures and really, really beautiful stuff coming in here. And then you've got your commode. And then in here is your generous master closet, obviously being used here as the office as we continue work and try to wrap things up as quick as we can. All right, I don't want to miss out here, so I'm looking at my watch. Let's see. Good, we've got 10 minutes, I think. Let me take you back. Again, orienting you to the back of the house with this 2-car garage. And so I'll take you out there now. And as you can see, they're about to pour the concrete for the garage. If I didn't mention the square footage of the house, pardon me, we're just under 4,000 square feet for the livable heated. That does not include a garage here in Pickens County or in the city where we are located. And, you know, we've got over 600 square feet in here. So very generous for 2 cars. Certainly it's great to be able to park something here throughout the season when you're not here. If this isn't going to be a full-time home for you, that is pretty rare here and obviously really convenient is the word I'm looking for. And we will have an EV charger in here. If you're not familiar with how electric cars are treated here in Aspen, sort of a VIP treatment in terms of parking. And they're fun to get around the West End and into town. That would be a simple little ride and put you in touch with just about everything in town. Okay, and this is unusual. This is our laundry room, mud room in the garage. You'll see every single finish level will be addressed, and then washer, dryer, folding table, even a nice little window there for your looking out west. But no detail missed here. These homes are designed much like you might see in a larger metropolitan city, but up to you that you're not. So we love Aspen Snowmass and all the phenomenal things that we have access to, not only during the summertime, but fall and winter and beyond. So I'm going to be very careful here. Here's a beautiful portrait window that looks out to the west. Lots of natural light in this guy. And here we go. Hey fellas, how you doing? We're just going to come up here a little bit and do a quick little video. We'll let you get right back to work here in a minute. We're cutting stone and wood, so that can be noisy, but hey, take a look at this view. This is really the picture that I wanted to show you. And this particular feature, we're looking due south. I'll take you outside on the deck, but this is another example of just how much detail has gone into this home. What you're seeing is going to be a wall of glass. You can probably see the worker bring that glass door across, and it's essentially a set of pocket doors. But when it's done, all glass outside, they tuck in to the wall there, and look at that beautiful transom, and you're up and running. I also wanted to show you some of the woodwork here. That was just installed yesterday. This beautiful natural wood, lots of mixed medium here, stone and glass and wood, and these turn out to be beautiful ceilings once they're stained. I'll bring it down a bit. You can also see that we go from about 10 feet in here all the way to about 14 feet on a beautiful cantilevered surface. So just really well thoughtful and thought out and executed. So here we go. There's your big fireplace here on the right that'll be installed. This will be sort of your living space right here, half of this open concept area. As I turn around, over here you'll see a little bit of what will be an informal dining area. Thank you guys, appreciate it. And then these guys are working so hard these days. All masked up, of course, like they should be, social distancing, checking their temperatures as they get in. This will be your kitchen. And we're going to use some high-end German appliances, a great integrated modern cabinet system. And right about here, as I point, this is where you'll see your bar and stove, and you'll look right out and be able to speak to folks in what would be your living room, your dining room, etc. There was a pantry off the back, but I want to watch my time and make sure I've got plenty of time for you to get out here through this incredible sliding opening door, which can be closed or partially opened, or as it is today, all the way open. And here we go. Take a look due south here. So people ask, what's right there in the grass? Those are available lots, also with Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's, and those will be built one day. But you've got a nice wide alley here that we're essentially standing on the garage. Beautiful cottonwood trees. They're filled in now, but when I was standing up here in the wintertime, you get a great look at Aspen Mountain, particularly Shadow Mountain there. And I'm sorry that I can't zoom in. I'll figure that out next time. But we've got Highlands Bowl right there, Thunder Bowl, and then we'll take you over here due west. Little views of Sopers here and there. So just phenomenal. The deck, and I'm looking at my notes here, is 12 by 26. That's substantial. And obviously doesn't count for the square footage. So, really when you include the garage and the deck, you are, set up well at 4,500 square feet of, livable space, not necessarily heated. So there you have it. Let me get this down a bit for you so I can see. All right. So you can see. And there will be a drain here. There'll be snow melt here. It's reinforced. You can do a hot tub. And there's also going to be a hose bib so you can water your flowers. Why wouldn't you? Oh, let me just take advantage of my height here. And I'll hand over to what is the next door neighbor and the other house that's for sale. And we have two here. Again, almost identical. And this one's just in from the corner. The home that I'm in now is on the corner. It's just a little bit more light, but this one is also phenomenal and very, very similar. So, all right, these guys are anxious to get back to work. They're not messing around, and I'm just in their way. So, guys, thank you. Appreciate it very much. Is that right? Whenever I need? Hey, listen to that, guys. If you want to come in here for a tour, we do in-person tours now. Can't do open houses, but these guys are cool, and make sure you get a mask on, and we'll get you inside. So, all right, dumbwaiter again over here. I want to make sure I don't mess up my gimbal. And then we run into what would be, you've seen the master, you've seen two guests, those are on the main level. And then you've got a powder over here that I'll try to pan into, half bath. So that's going to be your access for your kitchen, etc., and your living area and your deck. Now, going into guest bedroom number 3 or bedroom number 4. And the amazing thing here is we've got this beautiful barrel roll feature up here that not only gives the house some more drama from the outside, but certainly in here, look at how they did the window there with the transom. And this bedroom just a little bigger than the ones downstairs, with the exception of the master, and is designed to be your 4th bedroom, your 3rd guest, or utilized as an office or both. So there again, en suite, bathroom, a bit dark in there, so I'll skip that. And there you have it. There's our beautiful 2nd floor living space, kitchen, living, dining, and 4th bedroom. So, watching the time, I'm going to head down quickly. Again, here's the trick without the guardrail. So, give me a second. So, heading down from 2nd floor, top floor, back into where we began, which was the ground floor, front door, garage, 3 bedroom. And it's going to serve what is going to be a tremendously generous here. You can put a pool table down, flat screen on the wall, which it is all set up for. By the way, electronics in this house are going to be flat screens and some audio. But just take a look at how expansive this is. I did do a note, and I'll look at the bonus room, 12 by 26. Almost about the same size, actually a bit larger than that deck. And so, again, nice features here. I'll zoom up a bit. You'll see that this ceiling is also coffered, will be underlit. All LED lighting, of course, in these homes. Bring this down again to let you see what's going to be a bar. Certainly, if there's a wine enthusiast and you can come in here and make your own finish levels, you might add some transparent storage behind that bar for dramatic look. But, well, you can't beat this kind of area for, I've got a 7-year-old, so get the kids downstairs, playroom. Hate to say it, video games. Don't always love those in this time for those kids. Bunk room. Just possibilities are endless. So really the accurate configuration for these homes, 4 bedroom, 6 bath, 2 of those half bath powders, and then this incredible bonus room. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good look at things. I'm going to keep an eye on the time just so I can give you a farewell, and I'll see if I can't put this up again and take my mask off for you. Here I am. I hope that worked out. I hope it was valuable for you. It certainly was fun. It was an experience. We'll do it again and again and get a little more practice. But as I look at some extra storage in here, there's really nothing this house doesn't offer. Fantastic location. Go to westendhome.net. Go to scottbayensproperties.com. And boy, if I didn't mention it off the top, I'm in a lot of trouble. I'm co-listing this with my friend, my colleague, my mentor, Craig Morris. So Craig and I have this listing. Certainly contact him, contact me, and excited to take you through either virtually or in person. Again, that's allowed here under Pickton County rules. Thank you. Stay safe, and we'll look forward to hearing more from you as there may be some more interest.